Hello and welcome to the LearnAakash. Now it's time to learn about for loop. So let's start by opening idle. For loop is little bit different than while loop. So let's see how it works. And we'll also see about the range function in for loop. How range function will work with for loop. Now let's open new file. Let's write comment for loop. Let's take input and save it as word. Input. Please enter any word. Now let's use for loop. For loop you can use with the syntax like this. For I means the variable, in is word, that is the keyword, in word, and after that colon. This means that for loop I is the variable, in means the keyword in which word, and the word means the variable that we stored the value. And after that you can print I. Yep, that's it. Now let's write input function please press key to exit. Now how this for loop will work: if we type any word, any value that says in the word, think that let's we type the word Python, and the word will be replaced by word Python, and the I will take the value each time. First I will take P and prints the P, and after that I will take the value Y, then print Y, similarly like that. Now let's run this. So let's say first let's write for loop.py. Yep. Now let's run this, and when you write word Python it will print the word Python. Since the I takes the first word P, after that Y, after that T, similarly. Now let's open new file. Let's use of range function and Python. Okay, for that just you can write any loop. Okay, for I means the variable again, in range, alright, range 10, after that semicolon. Same like the previous, you can see over here the word is replaced by Python. Similarly the range 10, it is replaced by the 10 numbers, since the number starts from with 0, that's why it replaced with 0 to 9, and the I take the value 0, after that I takes the value 1. Similarly when you print I, it prints from 0 to 9. This is the range function. Yep. Now let's write input function, press key to exit. Let's save this as well. Let's write range.py. Let's run it from here. Yeah, it prints from 0 to 9. I press key to exit. In range function you can use the start, end, that means stop, and the step. Similarly you can write that if you want to start with 1, then you can write 1 10. Now it will generate number from 1 to 9, or if you want to step, then you can just write 2. Now it will generate the number 1, then it skips one number, that means it skips 2, and it generates 3 1 3 5 7 9. Now let's save this and run this again. Yeah, 1 3 5 7 9. Alright, if you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.